Welcome to my channel. Today is the most exciting day in the history of my channel because someone sent me a free box of stuff. WILDGRAIN. WILDGRAIN is a membership box that delivers baked from frozen sourdough breads, fresh pastas, and artisan pastries to your home. And they say all the products are baked or ready, no thawing, within 25 minutes. Let's see what comes in a standard box. So we've got croissants, pumpkin cinnamon rolls, fettuccine, tonarelli, sourdough rosemary garlic bread, slow fermented cranberry pecan bread, pecan, and sourdough bread.
Cool.
What should we try first? Sourdough bread?
No.
Okay, I'm back with the sourdough bread. Listen to that. Oh my god. Oh, look at the steam. Oh my god.
A crunch.
So, oh my god.
It good?
Mm-hmm. Come try it.
Okay.
Oh my god, I'm not even lying when I say this is the best.
You can hear me munching on it in the background.
Alright guys, back again. This time with the cranberry pecan loaf. Again, I don't like saying that word. Pecan. I don't know what to expect from this one.
It looks really good though.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Ooh, that ASMR.
You want to try one too?
Yes. I really did.
Okay, let's give this a try. Okay, I put butter on that one. I'm gonna try it without. Oh.
It good?
Yeah, how do you like it?
It's pretty good too. I really like it. I just wish there was a little bit more cranberries.
More cranberries.
Yeah, just coming from me though.
I could go for that too.
Okay. I know, it's really good.
That is really good. So cozy and sweet.
Yeah.
But yeah, I vote more cranberries. Excellent. Amazing. Delicious. It's better without the butter. Stuff is unreal good.
Yes.
Okay, so we've tried 2 breads so far. And I think we're gonna make it so far as 3 things today and we'll try the rest tomorrow. So for today's finale, we have cinnamon rolls. Pumpkin cinnamon rolls to be exact. Okay. All right. Not as good as breads, but still super good. I can't wait for tomorrow. See ya. Hey guys, it's the next day and I'm making up some Alfredo sauce for the fettuccine. Alrighty. Alright, let's try it. Very good. To be expected at this point. Come and try it. Very good. Very wholesome. Chewy, eggy fettuccine. Everything you'd want from a fettuccine noodle. Perfect. Better than any other store brand I've ever bought, and I think better than any restaurants I've ever had either. All right, well, we got one more pasta today. I've got to go make the sauce. I'm back with the tonarelli pasta. I tossed it with basil cream pesto sauce. Let's see. So this pasta is like a spaghetti, but instead of like round noodles, they're a little bit square. Good texture. And I also have the sourdough rosemary garlic bread. All of these things are absolutely amazing. You only have one more thing left to try. Flaky and delicious.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
How was yours?
Good. That was pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Tastes just like one you'd get from a bakery.
Yeah.
That's it, you guys. That's the whole box.
It was amazing.
Yeah.
That's one of the best sourdough bread I've ever had.
Yeah.
It was.
Way better than Whole Foods.
Yeah, I know.
I
Sorry,
love
Whole
the
Foods.
No, for
croissants
real though, it is way
and
better than
the
Whole
pumpkin
Foods.
fruits. And I pretty much loved everything.
Everything.
The sourdough bread was the best out of it all.
Amazing.
It was all good.
Yeah. My favorite was the pumpkin rolls. They were pretty good.
With the icing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You already won another one.
We need more sourdough.
But that's the best part. It's a monthly subscription box. Ooh, and I heard next month there's orange cranberry biscuits. You gotta get this for yourselves, guys. While you're at it, save yourself some money at checkout by using my code, MONROESIRENA. Click the link in the description box to get started. Oh, and there's a limited time offer on that code. First 50 people get free croissants for life. It's the holiday season, guys. Treat yourself. I know I'm going to. Bye. Thanks for watching.